I speak on behalf of a lot of the newer generation riders when I say, I just don't give a fuck. This type of thing takes little to no explanation. A lot of these newer generation riders are coming with a whole lot of attitude and a whole lot of not give a dams about anything that came before them, because we doing shit our way. You feel me? We doing this our way, or we doing this no way. Now, anybody can say what they want about how things are done with these newer generations, but as time goes on, and pretty willingly, I'm beginning to agree with a lot of these newer generation riders. Riding motorcycles is all about freedom, doing things however you want to do them, whenever you want to do them, however you want to do them. And hell, they're doing exactly that. But a lot of people are really starting to look at this and be like, wait a minute, that's not how it's been done for all these years. Is it really a changing of the guard here? And yep, I'll be the first to tell you that, oh yeah, there's a changing of the guard going on, and I don't think there's not many people that are going to do a damn thing about it. You can go on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, hell, even my page, and see it doesn't just stop at Harley Davidsons. This is inclusive of sport bikes, street bikes, touring bikes, whole 9 yards, and everything in between. This is a really, really broad spectrum compared to what it used to be. And it is about damn time that everyone, street bikes and everything, have been included in on the reindeer games, the fun, and most importantly, doing shit their way. You can even bring up the fact of motorcycle clubs being formed, the rules of the road being changed. Nobody gives a shit about passing a 1%er club anymore, or just motorcycle clubs in general. If we got places to be and we want to get there faster than you, you better get your ass out the way, because we gonna fly past you and there ain't gonna be nothing you can do about it. If you can't catch up, of course. You're probably watching this video thinking, oh, here's this young dumb rider talking shit on YouTube like he normally does, but wouldn't back it up in person. Nah, bro, I'm just a spectator. I ain't gonna lie. I'm just a spectator, but I'm just out here cruising, having a good time, just like the rest of y'all. But I tell you, I gotta bring this up to y'all's attention, because this is going to get very interesting, very, very fast. In my area, this could go one or two ways. The big dogs can get involved and shut these fools down, or they can not get involved, be like me, sit back and watch as everything changes, and just go along with the fun. Make things your way. Isn't that what motorcycle riding's about? Freedom and all that jazz included with it. I don't know about you, but I've been riding for pushing 7-8 years now. That's all that I've been doing shit my way. If you don't believe me, watch my other YouTube videos. Man, I'm really starting to see the whole get out of our way or we gonna run you over attitude with people that are just out there taking care of business. Not like shooting people up or nothing. No. I'm talking about how they want to do it, how they want to go about riding bikes. If they want to ride with the crew, if they want to ride solo, they doing shit and they ain't looking back or thinking twice about it. They don't really give a damn about what the public image is. And I can't lie, I'm really, really getting behind it, because this is what being esoteric's all about. Be different, you know what I'm saying? Be somebody that stands out in the crowd. I'm that type of person that would pull up on my Honda Fury in the baddest biker bar in town wearing a Nintendo 64 hoodie and not think twice about it. Hell, I even did that one time, and a local MC wanted me to join because of how fucking cool I was. And I'm not even that cool of a person, bro. I just wanted to go and have a beer and go home after a long day of work. Shit. You're gonna have the people that hate it, and you're gonna have the people that really, really, really admire it. And for the people that hate it, well, that sounds like a fucking you problem, buddy. I really don't know what to tell you there, other than, well, tough shit. Oh, but that's not the attitude to have. You want to have everybody be all-inclusive. You can't go around being a dick about everything. Well, no, you can't. But what you can do is mind your damn business and let other people do what they want to do. What you're witnessing, or what you don't know that you're a part of, is watching the definition of a biker changed before your very eyes. And to be real with you, I can't wait to see what it comes out to, because it's either going to be a continuation of the South Park Harley Davidson rider joke, or it's going to be something completely different that's either far better that everyone can get in on, or it's going to be far worse that's going to ruin the image forever. No in between, no zip, zero, nada. I can't wait to see what the hell happens here, because this gonna get interesting. In the meantime, I'm gonna go cruise and enjoy my day. And as always, I am the Esoteric Rider. Support your local veteran. All right, y'all. Be safe and ride free. Peace out.